video we repaired all the gel coat damage above the belting line and then sanded for many hours. I'm using white epoxy primer, so if the top coat gets a chip or scratch, all layers below the top coat are the same colour. I've got the fan set quite narrow, so I can really lay down a good heavy coat of primer and fill all the scratches and stuff that needed filling. A blank canvas. I cannot paint all the white top coat in one shot because I need to paint inside the hatch area and inside the cockpit area. So the plan is to climb over from the bow and paint as much from the cockpit as possible, climb back out and paint up to the air intakes, which is where the narrowest section is, to do a blend when I paint the rest. But before we climb over the bow, we're going to need to sand everything. Sand it smooth. Second coat of primer's been on. Well, it's gone on. Looks great. Looks really good. So once we get this rubbed down, probably in another week or so, because the weather's about to turn, we will get the top coat on. And as the weather came right, first break, we nailed it with the top coat, and it's okay. Now it's time to figure out colour change, colour scheme, what's happening, fake screen. Jeez, I don't know. Well, it is a little bit more orange peely than I'd hoped for, but should come up alright with a buff. So basically we use methylated spirits and some engineer's ink, mix it together and use a cloth, then cover everything and then sand it all off, make it smooth, and that will show up any low spots, divots, parts that I've missed, etc. And then should be ready for paint. Well, no, I'm going to have to put a little bit of filler in a few places and prime those areas, and then give it another little sand, and then we should be able to top coat. That's what we're looking for. Just little imperfections, low spots. Just put a little bit more filler on them, give it another prime, give it another sand, and then we can start put some top coat down and get past the painting. More delays, rain. Last pinhole sorted. Get another coat of primer on it. Leather rub. Ready to go. It's only primer, but it's starting to look good. Many hours later. And finally we have some clear days ahead, so we're going to get into it and just start painting. So we're masking off the pinstriping and the fake screen with vinyl tape and regular masking tape, really. Essentially we're just using this 4x4 meter gazebo, and we've tinted it off, and we're going to hold up some lights so that we've got good lighting. Yeah. Well, as good as it's going to get in a tent, and go for it. Yeah, the finish is alright, but it's going to need a little bit of a flat out in a few places and a buff just to take care of some of the dryish overspray, especially down the middle. And now we need to unmask and reverse mask the rest. Mm. Yeah, I think. Just going to bake it in sections. Painted it yesterday, and hopefully I get all this sorted. We will get the blue down today. Ooh la la.